Welcome, class. My name is Brother Davenport. I just wanted to welcome you to this course and kind of navigate you through this first week in Lesson 01. Lesson 01 is going to be a little different from the rest of the course lessons. So pay attention here, and next week I'll send another video for Lesson 02. And after Lesson 02 and Lesson 03, you'll get used to everything. It'll be really, really good and really easy and simple. But I'll give you some expectations today for Lesson 01 that will help you through the course. If you are interested, you can go through this overview. It gives you an overview of the course schedule, how I would use, the only reason I would use the course schedule as a student would just be if I quickly wanted to see what's due and when it's due. So coming in the next 7 days, it looks like September 19th on Wednesday, 11 p.m., that's Mountain Standard Time. You'll have these different assignments that are due. And then it'll show you that Lesson 03 will be available, meaning that you'll be able to go to it and pick or see it online. It skips from 1 to 3 because, I'll show you this, Lesson 02 is already open for you to go and see. So just remember Wednesday and Saturday. So Saturday you have some assignments due. It looks like a lot, but all of it's really quick. Table of contents will just kind of have a map of the whole course. But as a student, really this week, if I were you, I'd go straight to Lesson 01. There's 8 topics there. It kind of gives you an introduction. Lesson notes you won't see on yours. That's just for the teacher. That's just for me. But I'll just go to this Questions and Conversations tab. If I were to click on there as a student, the only reason I would, and we've got some that have responded to that, but the only reason as a student that I would want you to click on Questions and Conversations is if you really had a question that either could be answered by a student or myself as the teacher. You would start this new thread and just post any questions that you have. Now I want to navigate back to Lesson 01, so I'll just click up there and wait for it to go. But again, the only time you'd have questions is, only time you'd go to that is if you have a question on the course. You can also email me with any questions. You'll notice there's this first welcome, and you'll see the assignment, the due dates there. So let me just show you quickly these assignments. I'll let you go at it. You can go through the syllabus there. This will help you understand due dates, kind of take you through policies and orientation on learning. But after you've done all that, just go to this course readiness quiz. You click on that, and you can click on anything that's underlined. It's a link right to where you need to be. Pretty nice. Take the online quiz there, and I'll show you, and then you just turn it in. Submit it when you're done. And so I'm going to get out of that, though. I can, and you as a student can navigate through the lessons this way. You can go to the next one there. Personally, I like to go back up here because, I don't know, personal preference, I guess. No rhyme or reason. Okay, so the next thing is the update profile and settings. So remember with this welcome, there was a readiness quiz that is due Wednesday. We'll look at the update profile and settings. So this will just show you how to update and what you need to do this. Update your profile, update your picture, update and set your time zone, and just update those notifications. You can see here nothing is due. So I'm going to go back to Lesson 01. And the next part is the course etiquette quiz. Again, this is due Wednesday. So you'll just kind of go through this etiquette quiz. You can see it'll take about 20 minutes if you after doing everything. And when you're done, take the etiquette quiz. So again, I usually like to go back here, but let me show you how to navigate with this. We're on the course etiquette quiz, and I'm going to go to the Getting Acquainted instructions page. This is also due. And so what you'll do is you'll go ahead and read through this, do step 1, 2, 3, and 4. But you'll also see all the information here. But this is what we want to have you guys talking about in your discussion boards. And remember that it's 100 and 150 words. And I want to put your attention or focus your attention on the word counts, because on many things, if you don't have the right word counts, you get docked, either by me if I'm grading it or by the computer if the computer grades it. So make sure you do those word counts, and we'll talk more about that the next week. But to get into the discussion board, you'll go in this top one. These 1, 2, 3, 4 will also help you know what to say and how to do it. But if you go and you start a new thread here, you need to press that. You enter a subject, just put welcome or good to be here, just getting acquainted assignment, and then you'll go ahead and write your introduction. When you're done with that, read about 4 to 6 others and respond to 3. Answer people who respond to you. So you'll kind of keep going throughout this the next week or so, introducing yourself to others. So make sure you do that, and that will be due this week. Let's see, let's go back here so we can actually see when that due date is. I believe that's Wednesday. So, yep, that's right. That's due Wednesday at Mountain Time, 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. This introduction to the Articles of Faith, you'll notice that this is due Saturday. But what you'll do is you'll just go through this introduction. You'll read that and watch this. So you look here and you can see that there's nothing due. But at the end, you have a reflection and synthesis assignment that is due, and that will talk about this video and what you did. So next we're going to go to the study assignment. And this really just the next thing down. Again, this study assignment's due Saturday. And each week you'll have lesson truths to ponder and then your reading assignments. So what's nice with this, you'll see there's only a couple verses with each of these. Sometimes they'll give you talks, but you'll just go to those and you'll read through those. And if you click on that link, it'll have highlighted what you need to read. So after you read that, you'll just go back. Often, or again, in the next weeks coming up, there'll be an assignment with these readings. But for this, it's just kind of getting you used to doing those readings. Last thing I'm going to show you is this reflection, or 2 things I'm going to show you: reflection and synthesis. You'll click on the link and you'll go ahead and fill that out, and you'll turn that in. You'll have a reflection and synthesis due each week, and that's due on Saturday. I want you to pay attention to this pre-course knowledge survey. It'll really take you 5 minutes. But if you could do that, you get some points for that pre-course knowledge survey. So really, I just wanted to navigate you through this this week, and you'll get another video coming up next week, and I'll kind of, again, navigate you through the lesson 02. But it's going to be great to get to know you. Looking forward to reading your introductions, and I hope you have a great week and a great first week of school. Take care. Bye.